Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So guys, the radiator fan fuses, where you can find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram right here. You have multiple fuse boxes, okay, multiple location, by the way, where you have fuses. First we need to open the hood, and here under the hood, okay, see in front of the car battery, on the driver's side you have that cover here, guys. It has two notches, press them, you can leave that cover, open it, and underneath you're going to find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Here, guys, for the radiator fan we need to check two fuses, and then we need to go and check one hidden fuse, guys. The first fuse that we need to check is that fuse number 1 right here. Some models, depending on which engine you have, you may have another fuse, and depending on the year as well, and that will be fuse number 3. So 1 and 3. Now, you guys, okay, have one more place that you need to check. For instance, this is your car battery. On the positive terminal, guys, here on that positive terminal, if you look at it close, you may have 3 more mega fuses. Often, depending on the year, they may differ, but it's 250 amp, 125 and 100 amp. Some of you may have 1, 2 or 3 of them. The one that you need to check is the 100 amp, guys, that in most cases will be that fuse, okay, right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.